Hi everyone, my name is Monique and I'm the head of community at Self. So you're ready for your first credit card and you're wondering how to use it. Opening your first credit card is so exciting, but let's be real, it's also just a little intimidating. But the good news is that if you manage your credit card well, you can build your credit score, which is crucial for those future purchases like buying a house or a car. Your first credit card can also help you build credit history, and you may pick up some positive financial habits along the way. So here are 5 tips to keep in mind when using your first credit card. First thing first, check your account regularly for any transactions you didn't make or any errors, and report that suspicious activity to your card issuer immediately. And mistakes can happen, such as double charges or a company charging you the wrong amount. So make sure you check your account on a regular basis so that you can identify those errors and get them fixed ASAP. Guidance suggests it's best to aim to use no more than 30% of your credit limit at any time. So if you have a credit card with a $100 credit limit, try not to use more than $30. High credit utilization, or the amount of credit you use compared to your credit limit, can have a negative impact on your credit score. So it may be best to start off with small purchases so that you can get used to using your card in that 30% credit utilization. I like to use my cards for small recurring subscriptions or streaming services. Your credit card statements can help you keep track of your spending, and reviewing your monthly expenses also gives you a better understanding of your spending habits, allowing you to make informed money decisions and adjustments. Basically, it's a proactive step in maintaining your finances and good financial health. Consider using your credit card only for planned expenses that you can afford to pay off each month. Budgeting for your credit card payments on a regular basis can help ensure that you're able to pay off that balance each month, preventing additional interest charges. Budgeting can help you from overspending on your credit card on things that you don't necessarily need, so that you can stay within your means. Knowing that your credit card payments are accounted for in your budget may reduce some of that stress you're feeling about making on-time payments and help you feel more hopeful about the future. So if you don't pay back the full amount that you charged on your credit card by the due date, your credit card company can charge you extra money. The price you pay for borrowing money is called interest. And the best way to avoid paying interest charges is to pay your credit card balance in full each month. But if you can't pay the full amount, at least make the minimum payment so that you can avoid paying any late fees or having any late payments being reflected on your credit report. Remember, credit utilization is one of the biggest factors of your credit score. So paying your balance in full each month will help you keep that percentage low, which may help you build your credit score. Asking for help is so hard. I know it is for me at least, especially when it comes to money, because that can be such a taboo topic. But financial education resources like educational materials like this and workshops can help you have a better understanding of credit. Look into financial services that provide free financial education about credit. And it's also really important to stay informed about your credit report and where you stand. So you can do that for free at annualcreditreport.com. And most importantly, find the tools that work for you. Okay, you know yourself the best. You know how you like to receive information, whether it's books or podcasts or YouTube. I mean, that's where I went when I was having credit problems. Just make sure that you verify that these credit education sources are from reputable financial institutions, government websites, or accredited financial experts. Using your first credit card to your advantage can set you up for a strong financial future. Remember, it's best practice to budget, pay on time, and keep that spending in check. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and follow us for more credit tips. See you later.